students, in this video we are going to study about HCF. HCF means highest common factor, or it is also called as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. That means you will be given few numbers and you will be asked that find out the greatest common factor between all these terms, all these numbers which will be given to you. For example, here we are doing this question in which we are given three numbers. The numbers are 144, 192 and the third one is 216. So basically we have to find a greatest common factor of all these three numbers, which is wholly divided by all these three numbers. So look, we have this number 144 and I can see that at the end there is an even number. Even number suggests that this number is divisible by 2. So I will start dividing 144 by 2. You can either divide it like the energy classes which we have done, like this, 144 by 4, 144 by 2. Either you can do it like this, or I will simply do it like this. I will write 2 here. I will see, and this is 14. 2 7s are 14 and this is 4. 2 2s are 4. So I have written 72 here. Now this number is 72. Again the last digit is even number. So I will again divide it by 2. You can either do in this way, divide 72 by 2, or like the way I am doing here. In the table of 2, 7 doesn't come. Which number comes below 7? That is 6. And 6 come on 3. 2 3s are 6. So I will write 3 here. I have used 2 3s are 6. So 1 is left here. 1 will be shifted to this number. 1 will shift and come here in front of 2. Now this number has become 12. So 2 6 are 12. And if you will divide 2 and 72, the quotient here you are getting will be 36 only. So you will write 36 here. Okay, now again I will divide 2 by 36. You can do this method as well, or the way I am doing here. 2 divided by 36. So 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. So I will take a number less than 2. So 2 1s are 2. I will write 2 here. I will write 1 here. 2 1s are 2. And 1 will be carried forward here in front of 6. 1 will be carried forward here. Now this number has become 16. So 2 comes in the table of 16 at 8. 2 8s are 16. Now this number is 18. 2 comes in the table of 18 at 9. 2 9s are 18. So I will write 9 here. You can either divide it if you don't remember the table exactly. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. Look, after 18, I came the number at 9. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I divided it by 3. Similarly, I will do with this. I will start now. I will do again with this. 2 9s are 18. I am left with 1 here. And this is 12 now. 2 6s are 12. So I will write 6 here. Similarly, again I will start with 2. 2 4s are 8. I'll be left with 1. I will write 1 here. And 2 8s are 16. I will write 8 here. Again I will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again here 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now I will again do the same with 216. Division of 216 with 2 is very important. Usually students do mistake in this. Look, first of all I will do it with your way, the way you do it. 2 1s are 2. Minus got 0. Now I have got 1 here. 1 doesn't come in the table of 2. So I have to brought down the next number, that is 6. Now the number has become 16. I will not directly write 8 here. First of all, I will write 0 in between, because before this 16, the number which I have got here as 8, I have to put 0 because I have used two numbers together. So whenever you brought down two numbers together, you have to use 0 in between. Similarly, I will do here 2 ones are 2. Now I am taking both the numbers together. So first of all, I will take 0. And now 2 8s are 16. I will write 8 here. I have got all the prime factors of 144, 192 and 216. Now what we will do, we will find the common factors in all these three numbers. Now I will see which factors are common. I have written all the factors. Now I will see which factors are common among them. Look, I am getting one pair of 2 here. Again I am getting one pair of 2 here. Again I am getting one pair of 2 here. Now look. So 2 in 144, 2 in 192, but I am not getting a factor 2 in 216 now. So I will not take the 2 of 144 and 192 again. I am not taking this pair because 2 is common in 144 and 192, but there is no 2 left in 216. So I will not consider it. Now the next factor which I am getting is, look, I am getting 3 here, I am getting 3 here, and I am getting 3 here. So 3 is common again. So now look, this pair of 2, I have written 2 here once. From this pair of 2, I have written 2 here once. From this pair of 2, the next pair, I am writing 2 here once. And I am also getting 3 as a pair. So I have written 3 here. Now look, let me check if I am getting any other common pair. Look, I am getting this 3 here. I am getting this 3 here. But there is no 3 left in 192. So I will not consider it. I will only take these common factors of 144, 192 and 216. I will multiply them all. After multiplying it, I am getting 24. That means 24 is the highest common factor by which all these numbers are completely getting divided. Or we can say 24 is the greatest common divisor of all these three numbers, 144, 192 and 216.